But y'all not ready for that conversation. I don't know, it just felt like so satisfying. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Payton, and today I'm back with another video installing this really cute ash blonde highlight wig from Hermosa hair. I did not get to record a talking video, so I just decided to do a voiceover giving you guys a detailed wig install, but I just showed you guys the construction of the wig cap, and let's get started with my install. Here I am prepping the wig, cutting the lace in the back, putting some foundation and some foundation powder on the lace. Also, y'all, just a pro tip, do not bleach the knots of this wig, or if you bleach the knots of this wig, use 20 volume developer or 30 volume developer. But I also toned this hair with purple Shimmer Lights shampoo and got it this nice color. So just hopping right in, I'm applying the wig, parting it on my head. I went ahead and did a middle part. This is a 13x4 frontal lace wig, but it's not that much parting space for like a side part, so I automatically just did a middle part. And here I am clipping my hair up to start applying the lace and just getting all my hair out of my face. Here I am cutting the ear of the right side of the wig. I kind of just go straight back and make sure I go above my ear, and then I just position it to make sure it's going to glue down correctly, and then I did that to the other side off camera. Sectioning off my wig and using this Ghost Bond XL glue, I went ahead and parted the lace into 3 different sections. I like to start with the middle so that it lays the flattest, and then I apply a thin layer of the Ghost Bond, and I go ahead and just wipe it down until it's clear. And for some reason, I think I was just a little under the influence high, and I did not blow dry the first layer, so I did 2 layers and then I blow dried it. But usually I'll blow dry 1 layer and then blow dry another layer and then blow dry another layer, so 3 layers. But I kind of was just doing whatever here, so sorry about that. But yeah, so just apply a thin layer, spread it out thinner, blow dry it until it's clear, and then once you do 3 layers and blow dry it, take the lace and apply it down. I don't really like to use my finger because of oils, so I'll use a comb or some type of flat shaped stick or rat tail comb stick. And then I just go ahead and do that same thing to each section. And as you guys can see, the wig was already laying nice and flat, and this lace was basically lacing, okay? And then I was using some Eben spray. I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like in a second. And the Eben spray just locks and loads in everything, so I use a mix of Ghost Bond and that Eben spray to get that seamless finish. And you guys are gonna see after. I do the Eben after gluing. And then once I cut the lace, I'm gonna do 1 more spray of Eben. But this is just doing the 3 layers of glue, blow drying it with cool or warm air for about 30 seconds, and then repeating this 3 times and laying down the lace with a rat tail comb or some other type of flat object. You can use your hands, but I wouldn't recommend it. And now we're jumping into cutting the lace. I kind of just do this wildly. This is not the best way to do it. You can honestly do it better, but I did not have any shears, so I had to use some craft scissors. And then I just went back in with my Eben lace bond spray and just sprayed all the lifting parts of the lace. This spray right here, y'all, is the truth. I recently just started using it, and this stuff is 100% sweat free. So after I spray it, I just go ahead and blow dry it on warm. And I kind of just go back and forth with the Eben spray and the Ghost Bond to touch it up. And as you can see, once I blow dry it, this is how seamless it looks. And I just go back in with some more foundation powder and apply it to the lace. Since this is 613 hair, I don't really have to do too much about the baby hair. But then once I'm done gluing, I like to take an elastic band headband and just let that sit while I style my hair. I'm going to be wanding my hair. This is some Garnier Fructis Flat Iron Perfector spray, and I also used some Got To Be spray for the curls, but here I am just prepping the unit before I start curling it, I'm just using this pressing comb to flatten the beginning of the hairline to kind of make it look more natural and more flat and seamless. And I'm not flat ironing this hair, I'm gonna wand it, so I already wanted to just have everything ready to go, so after the curls were done I could just take off the headband. Then I went ahead and applied some more of that foundation powder to the lace on the hairline and also on the perimeter. I'm gonna put more after I take the headband off, but I just wanted the lace to set with the even spray. So right after I spray the even, I put on this headband and it helps it become seamless. I used some argan oil to moisturize the hair before I wand curled it, and I kind of sped through this wand curl process. I just wand curled my hair for about a minute and then I pinned it. I didn't pin each and every curl, I just pinned the curls. I pinned like half the curls, honestly. I was mainly worried about pinning the front so that it could like layer perfectly. So yeah, you guys are gonna see, but I'll just let this run through. So as I'm finished with wand curling my hair, you guys can see I'm just pinning them up so that they can layer, and I'm removing the elastic band headband, and as you can see the lace looks perfectly seamless, but the even spray kind of does make the hair kind of like hard. So I'm just combing it out, and then I am doing minimal baby hair. I just decided to do 2 at the top and then 2 like near the edges of the ear. I feel like this wig could be worn without baby hair, but I love baby hair, so I would say like the baby hair is 100% optional. And then I'm just taking my Babyliss mini flat iron and curling baby hair so that they can lay flatter once I use my edge booster, edge control to slick it down. You can also use mousse. It's probably going to be a little bit lighter on 613 hair. I feel like edge control and gel might make it look a little funny, but this ended up coming out really cute since it was like a multicolor, because this wig is like highlighted blonde, so it's not just 613, it's like ash blonde, brown, 613. So it comes this color. I did tone it with my purple shimmer lights shampoo like I said, and after I did my baby hair I just went ahead and put that elastic band back on so that my baby hair could set, and then I took all the pins down and combed through my hair. I didn't want to comb out too much because I knew the curls were gonna fall later, and yeah, this is how it came out. Shout out to Hermosa hair for this 24-inch highlight blonde wig. It's super duper cute, and make sure you guys check the description box down below to purchase it. Use my code, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you guys think about this look. Bye.